Welcome to week 3 of Negotiation and Influence. Hope you enjoyed last week where you had a chance to do a couple of exercises. One, the collecting no's from the text, and the other, the three-party coalition exercise, which comes to you by way of the Harvard Negotiation Project. This week we're also going to be doing one of the Harvard Negotiation Project's simulations, the Sally Soprano negotiation. Those assignments have been made and are posted in week 3, so make sure that you check that out and that you contact your particular negotiating partner and get a time set up so that the two of you can negotiate. Give yourself time to prepare. There's plenty of material there. There's two roles. One is Sally Soprano's agent, and the other is the Lyric Opera's business manager. Only the people assigned the role of the business manager will be able to obtain that information, and only the people assigned the role of Sally Soprano's agent will be able to obtain that information. So you have two pieces of the whole picture, and you'll have to work together to satisfy the needs articulated in the case, the needs of both parties, of course. So needs is another way of saying interests. Interests is the topic for the week. Make sure that as you prepare for the Sally Soprano negotiation, that you also watch the videos that I've posted. Those videos were produced by the Harvard Negotiation Project, and getting your mind around those videos is going to help you throughout the course. So make sure you give yourself plenty of time to do the reading as well as watch those video clips. I think the quality of your work will improve if you take the time to think about what's going on and what's being said in those videos. In 3.0 this week, you are reflecting on my feedback to last week's three-party coalition exercise. I want you to take a look at that, and as well as going back to Forum 2.2 and looking at what all of the different parties posted. And then think about that as well as my feedback and articulate your response in Forum 3.0. In Forum 3.1, you're telling a story again, this time about interests, a time when it was important that you meet the needs or the interests, being the terminology that we're using in this course, and interests being what we're talking about this week, where you had to meet the interests of another party as well as your own, and tell that story, as well as responding to the posts of others, and engaging with their stories by the end of the day on Saturday. Also, by the end of the day on Saturday, make sure that you have, each party will have posted their preparation memo, which comes from the text. The preparation memo they use to prepare for the Sally Soprano negotiation, and one party of the negotiation will need to also post the results and how those results will the results of the negotiation were achieved. Next week then I'll post my feedback in 4.0, and you'll respond just as you did in 3.0 this week to the negotiation conducted last week. I think you should have a great week. Just make sure that you do complete all of the reading as well as those video clips before you respond to the forums and before you prepare your negotiation. Again, if you have questions, post them to the questions forum at topic level, and if fellow students can't answer you, I will. Or if you have a specific private conversation you wish to hold with me, don't hesitate to send me an email. Hope you have a great week.